at Sikanni Campground. Gas is available. We're at about 153 miles in. This is our first, or I guess our second major downhill since Taylor. And just requires caution. Nothing too complicated. A little bit more when it's snow or winter, and also when there's a lot of sand on the ground. Other than that, it's a real nice view. We haven't seen any wildlife per se. We saw one, I guess, a coyote run across the road, but from our previous experience, we really didn't see anything until after leaving Fort Nelson. It was the first time we saw our first bear. So we're just going to casually go down these hills. Laura's got her exhaust brake on, and I'm just taking it slow and tapping the brakes. But definitely nice, and actually nicer when you have these little spots of snow, and the roads are actually not bad. So we'll talk to you later. Over and out.